Hello student, today's topic is indices. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Multiplication of 3 in 5 times, that is 3 raised to 5. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 5 times the multiplication of the same number. So 3 raised to 5. 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 multiplication of 2 in 3 times, so 2 raised to 3. Now this number is called as the base and this number is called as the power or index. Now rules of the indices. First rule is a raised to m into a raised to n. Same base and there is the multiplication. So write the same base a and the addition of indices m plus n. Second rule is a raised to m division a raised to n, and a raised to, if there is the division, the subtraction between indices m minus n. Here m is the greater number than n. If n is greater, then we can write as 1 upon a raised to n minus m. Here m is smaller and n is greater. Number 3 rule, a raised to m raised to n equal to power of the power. So a raised to m into n. Number 4, a raised to m into b raised to m equal to a into b raised to m. Number 5, when a upon b has the same power, so we can write as a raised to n upon b raised to n. Next is power of, if the any number have the power 0, then value is 1. A raised to 0 equal to 1. When index is negative number, then we make it as positive 1 upon a raised to m. These are the rules of the indices. Now, first example, m raised to 1 half, m raised to 4 into m raised to 1 upon 4 divided by m raised to 1 by 4 into m raised to 1 by 4 into 1 upon m raised to 1 upon 16. Now, numerator and denominator, m raised to 1 upon 4 is equal, m raised to 1 upon 4, m raised to 1 upon 4 are equal. So, at the numerator, there is m raised to 1 half divided by 1 upon m raised to 1 upon 16. That is, we write in the divided form. M raised to 1 half divided by 1 upon m raised to 1 upon 16. M raised to 1 half, this division sign, take the multiplication sign. So, take the reciprocal of this one. So, reciprocal is m raised to 1 upon 16. Now, m is the base, equal base, there is the multiplication. Use the rule a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. This rule, addition of the indices. So, m raised to 1 half plus 1 upon 16. So, m raised to, by cross multiplication, 1 into 16, 16 plus 2 into 1, 2 upon 2 into 16, 32. So, answer is m raised to 16 plus 2, 18, 18 upon 32. So, option is not here. So, simplify it. Divided it by 2. 18 divided by 2, 9. 32 divided by 2, 16. 9 upon 16. So, option number 1 is the answer. Here is the division. So, I take the division sign. And division change the division into multiplication. So we take the reciprocal of this one. 1 upon number. So reciprocal is m raised to 1 upon 16. Next question. 5 raised to minus 3 into 5 raised to 3 upon 5 raised to 4 into 5 raised to minus 2 into 25. 5 raised to minus 3. Here is the equal base. So, and multiplication. So, addition of the indices minus 3 plus 3 upon 5 raised to 4 into 5 raised to minus 2 into 25 means 5 square. 5 raised to 0 upon 5 raised to 4 into addition of these two indices minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 plus 2, that is 0. 5 raised to 0 upon 5 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 0. Any numbers 5 raised to 0, that is 1. A raised to 0, 1. 5 raised to 4 means 625 into 1. 5 raised to 0, 1. 5 raised to 4, 625. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25 into 5, 125, 125 into 5, 625. So our answer is 1 upon 625, option number 1. Next question is minus 4 raised to 6 into minus 1 raised to 6, that is minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 6 times. 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. And even number, here is the even number. Negative numbers, even number index, so number is positive. Negative, negative, positive, negative, negative, positive, negative, negative, positive, multiplication. So answer is 1. That is minus 1 raised to 6, that is positive 1 into 1 upon 16, that is 4 square. Minus 4 6 raised to 6 into 4 2 into 2 4 raised to 4. Minus 4 raised to 6, that is positive answer. 4 into minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4, 6 times. 16 we can write also minus 4 square. Minus 4, here is the minus 4, so I take the minus 4. 16 equal to minus 4 into minus 4, positive 16. So rather than I take the plus 4, I take the minus 4. Minus 4 square, minus 4 square, that is minus 4 raised to 4. Minus 4 raised to 6 divided by minus 4 raised to 4. So base is equal minus 4. 6 minus 4, that is 2. Minus 4 into minus 4, that is positive 16. Our answer is option number 3. Example 243 x raised to 5 divided by 32 x raised to 5. Numerator denominator cut. Now 243 divided by 32. Make it simple form, simplest form. But these numbers are not divisible by both numbers, not divisible by 3. This number is not divisible by 2. This number is divisible by 2. This number is divisible by 3, but this number is not divisible by 3. So another way to make the factor of 243, divided by 3, 81. 81 divided by 3, 27. 27 divided by 3, 3 nines are 27, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3. 3 into 3, a factor of 243, 3 into 3 into 3, 5 times. So answer is 3 raised to 5. Now this answer is 3 raised to 5. And 32 divided by it by 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2s are 4, 2 ones are 2. That is 32 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 raised to 5. Here 3 raised to 5 upon 2 raised to 5. So equal index. So I write 3 upon 2 raised to 5. So our answer is second option, 3 upon 2 raised to 5. Now next question is in bracket 1/2 raised to 3 upon 4 raised to 8 upon 9. Use the rule a raised to m raised to n, that is power of the power m into n. Similar way, here is the power of the power, index of the index number, 1/2 into 1/2 raised to 3 upon 4 into 8 upon 9. 1 upon 2 raised to 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, that is 2 upon 3. So our answer is, this answer is not written here. So change some changes are there. Here is the cube root and here is the power of the 2. That is, I write 1/2 raised to 2 and 1 raised to 3. 1 upon 2 square, that is 1 by 4. 1/2 square, that is 1 by 4. And 1 upon 3 means cube root. Cube root of 1 upon 4. And this is our answer, option number 1. $50,000, write in the index form. 50,000, I write the 50,000, 5 into 10,000, that is 50,000. 50,000 equal to 5 into 10,000. So 5 into 10,000 written as 10 raised to, how much zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 into 10 raised to 4. This is our answer and option number 1. Now next, square root of a. Square root we can write in index form. Square root is written as 1 upon 2. Here square root of a cube. Square root of a cube, that is 3 upon 2. Square root, that is upon denominator in root, and this is the power. A raised to 3, 3 power, and square root, that is denominator 2 into b raised to 4. Power is 4, but it is a square root. So b raised to 4 upon 2 upon ab. Same base, so addition, a raised to 1/2 plus 3 upon 2 into b raised to 4 upon 2 upon ab equal to a raised to, now 1 plus 3, 4, 4 upon 2 into b raised to 4 upon 2 upon ab. Here index is same, so we can write as ab raised to 4 upon 2 upon ab. 4 upon 2 means square, ab square. 4 upon 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, that is square. ab square upon ab. So answer is ab. So our option is answer number 2, option number 2, ab. ab square means ab into ab upon ab. Cut the ab, so answer is ab. Now next example, 2.4 into 40 raised to cube upon 96 into 10 raised to square. First multiply this number 2.4 into 40. Multiply this number. I put the 0 here. 24 into 4, 96. 960. Now give the decimal place number 0.1. 1 decimal place. So 96. Answer is 96. Multiplication of these two numbers is 96. 96 raised to 3 upon 96 into 10 raised to 2. 96 raised to 3 means 96 into 96 into 96 upon 96 into 10 raised to 2. That is 100. 10 square, that is 100. 196 cut. 96 into 96, 96 square upon 100. That is 10 square. 96 upon 10. Index are equal. So I put the index same. 96 upon 10 raised to 2. That is 96 upon 10, 9.6. So our answer is option number 3. First of all, I multiply these two number 2.4 into 40, that is 96. 96 cube means 96 into 96 into 96. Cut the 96. 96 into 96, 96 square upon 10 square. Square, square. Use the rule. A square upon B square equal to A upon B bracket square. 96 upon 10, that is 9.6. Next question. Question number 9. For making rangoli, my mother puts 4 dots in one line which is equal to total number of lines and join them all to draw square. She also places a panti in each square. How many pantis will be needed? Now, for making rangoli, 4 dots in one line. I draw the 4 dots in one line. And which is equal to total number of lines. There are 4 dots, so 4 lines. Join each dot, make a rangoli, make a square. And each square, mother place a panti in each square. How many pantis are there? How many pantis are there? That is total number of pantis are 6 pantis. So answer, 3 3s are 9. So answer is option number 2. In the under root 98 under root 2 plus under root 7 minus under root 13 minus under root 16. First solve the under root of 16. Under root of 16, that is 4. 13 minus 4. Now under root of 13 minus, this is 4. 13 minus 4, that is 9. And under root of 9 is 3. Here is the 3. Under root of 9 is 3. 7 minus 3, 4. Under root of 4, that is 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Under root of 4 means 2. Here is also plus sign. 98 plus 2, 100. And under root of 100 equal to 10. It is so simple, but we have to write, I have to write all these steps. 98 plus 2 plus under root of 7 minus under root of 13 minus under root of 16, that is 4. I write all the steps, but you find the answer orally. 13 minus 4 under root of 9. Now under root of 9, under root of 9, 3. 7 minus 3, 4. Under root of 4 means 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Under root of 98 plus under root of 2 plus 2. Under root of 98 plus 2. Under root of 2 plus 2, that is under root of 4, that is 2. And under root of 100 equal to 10. So answer is option number 4. Find the answer orally. Under root of 16, 4. 13 minus 4, 9. Now under root of 9, 3. 7 minus 3, 4. Under root of 4, that is 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Under root of 4 means 2. And 98 plus 2 in under root, that is 98 plus 2, 100. Under root of 100, that is 10. Next question. Cube root of this number. Cube root, I can write the cube root 1 upon 3. Cube root means the index is 1 upon 3. And index is here 1. Now use the rule. Use the rule. A raised to m raised to n, that is a raised to m into n. Here is the multiplication between these two indices. 55 raised to 6m minus 9 into 1 upon 3 equal to 55. From this bracket, I find out the common factor. Common is 3. Find out the common, that is 3. In bracket 3 2s are 6. 2m minus 3 into 1 upon 3 equal to 55. 3 3s are cancelled. So, next is 55 raised to 2m minus 3 equal to 55 raised to 1. Now, both the base are equal and in between there is equal sign. So, index are also equal. So, 2m minus 3 equal to 1. So, 2m minus 3 goes there, plus 3. 2m equal to 4. So, m equal to 4 upon 2, that is 2. So, our option is option number 3. Answer is 2. First step. What is the first step? Here is the cube root. So, I write the index 1 upon 3. This is the first step. Now, I bring the 3 outside that one. I use the rule a raised to m raised to n, that is a raised to m into n. So, multiplication of these two. I bring the common 3. I bring the common 3 outside the bracket. So, in bracket there is 2m minus 3. 3 numerator denominator cut. So, 55 raised to 2m minus 3 equal to 55. So, now base are equal. In between there is the equal sign. So, index are equal. So, 2m minus 3 equal to index 1. Minus 3 goes there, plus 3. 2m equal to 4. So, m equal to 2. Option number 3. Now, next example. 75 square, 75 into 75 into 5 cube, 5 into 5 into 5. Under root of 625, that is 25 into 3 square, 3 into 3. Now, 25 ones are 25, 25 threes are 75, 3 threes are cut. 3 ones are 3, 25. Now 25 into 5 into 5 into 5. 25 means 5 into 5. So 5 times 5 raised to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times the multiplication of 5. So 5 raised to 5. Our answer is option number 3. 75 square, 75 into 75. 5 cube, 5 into 5 into 5. Root 625, that is 25. 3 square, 3 into 3. 25 ones are 25, 25 threes are 75. Cut numerator, denominator 3. Divide 75 by 3. 25, 25 into 5 into 5 into 5. That is, the answer is 5 raised to 5. Next example, root x, under root of x equal to x raised to 1/2. You must know that under root of x equal to x raised to 1/2. So convert the root x equal to x raised to 1/2. X raised to root x raised to 2 upon 3. So x raised to 1/2 raised to 2 upon 3 into x raised to 1/2 raised to 1 upon 3 into plus x raised to 1/2 upon x raised to 1/2 raised to 3 by 4 into x raised to 1/2 raised to 1 by 4 plus x raised to 1/2. Now solve this. X raised to multiplication of both the index. 1 into 2, 2 2s are cancel, 1 upon 3 into x raised to 1 upon 6 plus x raised to 1/2 upon x raised to 3 upon 8 into x raised to 1 upon 8 plus x raised to 1/2. Now multiplication of these two, a raised to m into a raised to n, addition of index, that is x raised to 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 6. Three upon 8 plus 1 upon 8 plus x raised to 1/2. Now this step, x raised to addition of the 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 6, x raised to cross multiplication, 1 into 6, 6 plus 3, 9 upon 18, that is 1/2. In denominator, 3 by 8 plus 1 upon 8, addition of both the fraction, 9, 3 plus 1, 4. Denominator same hai. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 upon 8 plus x raised to 1/2. Now 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 8, that is x raised to 1/2 plus x raised to 1/2 divided by 4 upon 8, x raised to 1/2 plus x raised to 1/2, that is 2 times x raised to 1/2 in numerator, and denominator also 2 times x raised to 1/2. Now numerator denominator equal, so answer is 1. Our answer is 1, option number 2. Next example is square root 13 square, that is 169 into 3 square into 3 square, 3 raised to 2 plus 2, 4 upon 169 into cube root of 3 raised to 12. Index is 12, power is 12 and root is 3, that is 3 raised to, root is 3, root means denominator 3 and power index 12. 169 into 3 raised to 4 upon 169 into 3 raised to 4. Numerator denominator equal, so answer is 1, option number 1. Question number 15, observe the bracket having the index 0 and we have to find the value of this bracket. Answer is 1. How can I calculate the answer 1? This is the big bracket, but I said that answer is 1 because any number having the index 0, answer is 1. This is the any number having the index 0. So a raised to 0 equal to 1. So this answer is equal, this brackets raised to 0 equal to 1. Next question, 0.00243 into 0.00032 equal to 6 raised to 10 raised to x raised to 5. Now we have to find the value of x. Now 243, it is the 3 raised to 5. 245 equal to 3 raised to 5, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 9s are 3 3s are 9, 9 9s are 18, 81, 81 into 3. That is 243. So 243 is equal to 3 raised to 5. Now 0.00243 equal to 0.3 raised to 5. 5 decimal places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or we can write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 equal to 243, as well as 0.3 into 0.3 into 0.3 into 0.3, 0.3. 5 times the multiplication of 0.3, that is multiplication is 243, and decimal places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 decimal places 3, 4, 5. 0.00243 means 0.00243 means 0.3 raised to 5. And similar way, 2 raised to 5 equal to 32. 2 raised to 5 equal to 32. So 0.2 into 0.2 into 0.2 into 0.2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0.2 raised to 5 is equal to 0.00032. So we can write this one as 0.3 raised to 5 into 0.2 raised to 5 equal to same index. So we can write 0.3 into 0.2 raised to 5. 0.3 into 0.2, that is 0.06, 2 decimal places in raised to 5. So we can write 6 into 10, 6 upon 100, we can write as 6 upon 100 raised to 5. And 6 upon 100 we can write as 6 upon 10 raised to 2. And we can write 6 into, we take in the numerator 10 raised to minus 2. It goes to numerator, index goes to negative. So our answer, given answer is 6 into 10 raised to x raised to 5. Compare both the, so x equal to minus 2. By comparing x equal to minus 2. So our answer is option number 3. Point 3 into 0.2, 0.06, and this is written as 6 upon 100 and 100 written as 10 square. If we goes in numerator, the index is negative. So 6 into 10 raised to minus 2 raised to 5. Compare both the with this one. So x equal to x 10 raised to minus 2. So x equal to minus 2. Next is x raised to a, b minus c. A raised to b, use a raised to m raised to n. Power of the power, multiplication of m into n. Use this rule. So x raised to a into b minus c into x raised to b into a plus c into x raised to c into a minus b. Now x is the equal base and there is the multiplication. So addition of both all these plus b into a plus c plus c into a minus b equal to x raised to square. Find out this answer. A, solve the brackets. A into b, AB minus AC plus AB plus BC plus AC minus BC equal to x raised to 2 plus AB plus AB 2AB minus AC plus AC cut plus BC minus BC cut x raised to 2AB equal to x square. Here in middle there is equal sign, base is equal, so index is equal, so 2AB equal to 2, so AB equal to 2 upon 2, that is 1. So answer of AB equal to 1, option number 2. A raised to power of the power, so multiplication of that thing, index, and base is equal, so there is the addition between the indices. Solve the bracket. X raised to 2AB equal to x raised to 2, base is equal, so index is equal, 2AB equal to 2, so AB equal to 2 upon 2, that is 1. If you liked the video, then subscribe the channel